This stock did 500% in the beginning of this month, and we did chart analysis for it on our Patreon when we said the $3 should be the support and the profit taken around the 6. And of course we did update for it because we have many requests. The 13th of January, and we said the 15 and the 13 should be the profit taking because we're gonna have a huge rejection. And guess what? The price got rejected, went even around the $20, then went down heavily. You see it clearly that this short seller came and a lot of people trigger profit taking. We're gonna talk about the potential support and if we have another pump for this stock in coming days. HLBZ, we discussed it today in our live streaming, and we discussed this breakout live streaming today at 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. We said this breakout will happen pretty soon if broke this flag from above around the 45, and we said we're gonna have a test toward the 50 cent, and we did it, and then the price went until the 55 and went down. We're gonna discuss if there's a potential reversal and where's the bottom for HLBZ. WISA, of course, we discussed WISA and our live streaming today as well, and we spotted this breakout from this flag as well. We said this breakout will happen pretty soon, and it happened when we actually did our live streaming, and the price went directly around our profit taking, the 22 cents, and guess what? The price got rejected and went down. Of course, we're gonna discuss GNS. The stock did almost 500% in just one day. That's why it was on our watch list for the hunt. Price actually went 2% for today, 55 million. The volume is dropping, so we're gonna discuss if there's potential for entry. So let's get right to it and discuss first stock on our list, which is Hologram or HOLO. Was pumping since let me just check. Yeah, we did chart analysis here. It was around Friday, the 6th of January, Friday. We did live streaming, and we spot this stock, and we said there is a potential for pump after we broke the $3.09. After that, we did the chart analysis on our Patreon, as we said here, after the live streaming. You see it here, 4:41 p.m. because we did the live streaming before that in pre-market, and the price actually went higher and held above our support and continued to go higher, the $8, the 9, then hit with the resistance around the 15 and 13. So what's the game plan? The price got rejected, however we held above the $8.39. So this is where we have to hold for this stock to continue to go higher, the $8.39 or above the $8. If we held above the $8, we're gonna have a retry to break this massive resistance around the now it's 20. Yeah, I think the 20. We just update this level. We already took our profit around the $15. After the 15 is FOMO price buying. That's why I don't like to buy over there around the 20, and that's why the price actually got rejected. So this stock have a potential to another pump if we clear above the 20. Now confirm support is around the $8.39. I know it's a huge wide gap between the support and resistance. That's why I always suggest to enter with small position for this kind of stock because the gain is really huge. However, this the stop loss or potential loss is really big. So try to trade it wisely. Next up, we got HLBZ. The price got rejected around the 55 because we have our breakout zone around this flag down below, and the short went heavily and shorted the HLBZ. I think it's just from the 51. Yeah, around the 51 we started getting shorted. You see here 2 wick, and the price went down. So now where the support the support or the bottom we have to hold for today and the next few days is the 36 and the 39 around this box. If we held it, is mean we're gonna have accumulation and reversal. Like last time we discussed this reversal when it happened around the 19 cent. So we need to see the same reaction holding above the 36 as a bottom to continue to go higher and confirming that HLBZ is still not finished yet and have potential to pump. Those kind of stocks is on the short seller radar because they're pumping almost 400% and 500%. So watch out closely. We need to have confirmed support, which is above this box, to give us a signal for strength. because below this box is mean the price will have a huge selling pressure to test this AMA around the 28 and the 24. Here there will be a huge gap and a huge reversal for HLBZ if we don't hold this box. And of course, if we hold this box and break the 55, we're gonna do update, short update, of course, tomorrow before the market open on our Patreon for the profit taken, for potential ultimate profit taken for HLBZ. So stay tuned for that. WISA went to our profit taking and got shorted. That's why I always suggest for my hunter to take profit when you have the chance, because everything can go. So when we discussed this breakout zone on our live streaming today, we said there is a breakout zone and a potential to go toward the first profit taking around the 22 cents. Let's see how much we did from this breakout zone. 17%. Come on, 17% is really pretty good. If you just consider that, like many blue chip company can't go 17%. It's really rare. For those kind of stocks, it goes 17% and go down 17% or even 50%. That's why high risk, high reward. And that's why we should take our profit and never hold for long for those kind of stocks. So what's gonna happen for WISA after this sell-off? I don't really like it. We should have actually held above the 1849. Now we already took our profit around the 22. At the moment, I will watch if we held above this AMA. So we need to confirm holding above this AMA in order to have a retest again and going above the 22. So you see it clearly that if we held above this AMA, is mean we still continue to go higher and we're gonna have a reversal pretty soon. Here I'm going higher again. Otherwise, is mean the short seller came in heavily and we have naked shorting and the price will go higher around the 11. Is mean there's a manipulation in the market, okay? We'll do update actually if we reverse from this area to update the short analysis for WISA. GNS is still holding the $3.88 potential support. If we hold it, we're gonna have a continuation for this stock to go higher. This stock is have a potential to squeeze once again because it was on the most gainer list. So let me just put alert around this area on $5.39 and another alert for a bottom price to warn us for a potential sell-off around $3.88. So now there is a potential for a breakout again for this stock if we hold this AMA around this area. See here, we have a bounce around the $4 and there's potential another bounce around the $4.50. If we held it, we're gonna have a break. So I will update for the profit taken and the potential entry point for GNS for the market open on our Patreon and Discord, of course, to warn you about the exact entry point because GNS is pretty volatile and pre-market we have data chart, okay? Because everything can goes in pre-market. For tomorrow, we don't have a live streaming. We're gonna start with our live streaming on Thursday at the same time, 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.